Oh, hey redesigners. Welcome back to the channel. I bet you got a lot of questions and we have a lot of answers in this video about why we're not quitters. And in fact, we're doubling down. And that reminds me, just because we're standing next to something, sure as hell doesn't mean that we own it.
Hey, we need some
Yes.
laundry detergent.
Oh, and speaking of Karri,
And that's not his coffee pot.
heck, there's not even coffee in here.
So over the past couple weeks, we've been attempting to tell a story that every single full-time RVer goes through.
And then that part of that story is, well, that's not even her Christmas tree. So in case you're wondering what we actually are doing, well, as Karri said, we intended to tell a story and something that's been very familiar to a lot of full-time RVers. And if you're wondering what we're doing inside an apartment, well, this isn't our apartment, This is our kids. And we're just here having a little fun while they hide in different rooms. Over the past few weeks, we've watched a lot of negative comments come our way because people weren't paying attention.
Not even a little bit. Like, it was scary not paying attention.
And what's really scary is all the things that go on in the world. And thankfully, today's video sponsor will help us pay attention to some of the things that we may be missing. Well, you know, Karri, this year has seen a number of high-profile data breaches, which is raising some serious concerns about personal information security.
Yeah. Dell suffered a breach that exposed 3.9 million customer records, including their sensitive personal information. And this one kind of took me for a loop a little bit. Ticketmaster, of all places, experienced a massive breach compromising over 560 million customer records.
Now, not to be funny or anything, but I've got that beat because the most alarming of all is just a few months ago, National Public Data announced that they had suffered a major breach potentially impacting every American. The incident compromised over 2.9 billion, and that's billion with a B, records used for background checks, including personal information such as full names, addresses, date of births, phone numbers, and most importantly, social security numbers.
Wow.
It has been confirmed that members of the hacker group have released the sensitive information online, get this, for free.
If you haven't been taking your personal information online seriously, now's the time to change that. You're more vulnerable now more than ever in today's digital landscape.
Thankfully, I feel secure because I use Aura, and Aura is today's video sponsor. And what Aura does is they monitor your personal data, including your social security number, across billions of data points like the dark web and public court records to alert you about potential identity theft.
They also provide up to $5 million in identity theft insurance in case the worst happens.
Plus, Aura offers a variety of other features to keep you safe, which is an added bonus, which is including real-time alerts for data breaches, a VPN for secure browsing, data broker opt-out to stop companies from selling you personal information. Boy, wouldn't that have been great a couple of years ago? A password manager to help you create and store strong passwords and more. Now, I'm not leaving myself and family vulnerable to data breaches, and if you don't want to either, you can go to aura.com, and here the link will be in the video description and on screen, and you can try 2 weeks of Aura for free. That will be enough time for Aura to find out if any of your personal data is exposed. We are proud to be partnering with Aura as we like to get the word out to our fellow RVers in this amazing community that they need to act and protect their identity at all points. Now is the time. Do not wait. Check out Aura today. Well, now that we've gotten the business end out of the way, we want to thank each and every one of you that stuck around because, well, you knew, well, at least you thought you knew what was going on here at Life Redesigned.
Yeah, so, and thank you for not in the comments saying what you thought you knew, but you really do know. But we appreciate you not spilling the beans, so to speak.
There was a lot of you who got the fact that we did not buy a bus. We're not bus people. We do want to thank Big Family Expedition for having a lot of fun with us and allowing us to pretend that that was our bus for a couple of weeks because, well, we had a blast hanging around with them on a cruise. And we've actually been spending a little more time with them behind the scenes, as well as a couple of other YouTube channels that we'll be sharing with you down the road as our journey progresses. But there was an awful lot of people who didn't pay attention because they want life in that 30-second mode.
You don't pay attention whatsoever. Ooh, the RV, unsubscribe. Like, are you serious? Like, come on now. Life does not go in 30-second intervals. There's ups, there's downs, there's everything in between. Get a clue, man. Get a clue.
While Karri may seem amped up here, we're actually laughing because what we want to build is a community.
Yes.
We want to build an audience that embraces the art of storytelling. Too much time in the RV segment nowadays is all about the negativity, and it's all forgotten about the journey that brought us all to the dance to begin with. RV life is great, and we want to share that as always, and we're always going to do it a little bit differently just to keep our audience on their toes. And we thank you for being that audience. Now, as far as doubling down, we've got actually a big surprise statement to make in just a couple of moments. But one, there's going to be a minor surprise as well, Karri. We're talking about the second channel for Life Redesigned, and that is...
Oh yeah, that is the full-time tourist.
Because we have recognized that in the RV segment that the travel portion anymore is not something that anybody wants to see. But if you want to see that, you can join us on our second channel, soon to be launched. You can go subscribe there now. There's no content, but we're working on it because we want to provide you with that content. It is the full-time tourist, and I'm going to put up the link in the video description as well as all the social media stuff because, well, that's what the kids have today.
Yes,
now,
lots of social media.
Now, before we get to the big announcement, what we've got going on, we do want to say Merry Christmas to everybody here and out there in YouTube land. We hope that you're having a great holiday season because Christmas, Karri, is just around the corner. We're talking less than a week, and we hope that you're going to have the time of your life because, well, that's what you deserve. But you ready for the big announcement?
I am ready.
Oh, we can't do it here.
Where are we going to do it?
We need to go outside. So that begs the question, what do you mean when you say you're doubling down? Well, I can tell you this, we're not gamblers, so that kind of solves that problem. But what we've been doing over the past few weeks is sharing the journey with you that every full-timer goes through. Whether you just sold a house last month or you've been doing this for 30 years, there's always a point in time where it goes off in your head, did I make the right decision? Do I have
the right RV?
And should I have done things differently? Should I continue to go the way I'm going, or should I make some changes? And over the next couple of weeks, well, Karri and I are going to share with you what we're doing and what we're doubling down on, and that is, well, we're buying a new rig. Now, you may think there's a lot of things going on that you might have figured it out already, but I can assure you,
nope,
you haven't. And that's the thing that's missing from YouTube is that everybody wants the 30-second quick video, quick take, and not pay attention. The storytelling is gone. The days of adventure and having fun, well, nobody wants to see that anymore. They want to see you just fall down and just not be able to get back up. Well, we're not about that. We're about old school, taking you on that journey and sharing that with you, whether it be that Imagine over there or this right here, this Brinkley, which I gotta say, Karri,
yeah,
kind of impressed.
Yes, it's a little nice. It's just a little.
Now, the ones that have been paying attention and have caught it, we thank you. We thank you for making our little YouTube journey fun again because it's been missing for quite a while. You know, it's okay to make talking head videos and stand there and just give out lists, but we like to have a little fun with the audience, fun with the story and the process, and we appreciate each and every one of you. The ones that are left, well, you're missing out because this Model Z right here, this could have Karri's name written all over it. Or
I don't know. Do you see Life Redesigned on the door yet?
I don't.
No? Oh, no, you never know.
But really what this is really has been is just a way to have fun and make the RV segment. Well, again, fun, right?
Again.
Again. Did we say again enough?
Again
But
and again.
whether we take a cruise, whether we hang out with big family expedition, whether we just randomly meet up with J&A reviews at some point, you never know with us. We could pop up anywhere. As we've always said on this journey, that nothing was etched in stone. We were always redesigning our lives, and that's what we continue to do. And we hope that you've had a great holiday season so far. Over the next couple of weeks, you're going to see what we're seeing. Some of these rigs, oh my goodness, Karri's got me opening that wallet up real deep for some of these.
I don't know. I can't even tell you. Just wait. You got to see it for yourself.
Until
Just
next
really.
time, I'm Bob.
I'm Karri.
And I'm stopping her right there. We'll catch you in the next one.
Bye.